Oh yeah. Trying to finish up this front end. And do a few things. That's not the final piece for that, but that's pretty much what it's gonna look like. We got seats coming for this and a bunch of other stuff. I still finishing the wiring harness and ECU harness for the ECU master. If you saw the video from the event, this car did super good. It's super certified ripper now. That big old 4-inch tip. Yeah, it fucking did great. Still haven't changed the tires out. Redid the seal on the shifter. You can, whoops, fuck. You can see it. And the seal on the tail shaft. A new radiator from chasebay, Mishimoto thermostat, and a few other things coming for it. GS is good. I still drive it every day. But yeah, we got this tube front end and just a few other little things. We're gonna be throwing the motor in here and figuring it out. I'm super pumped for it. I've been trying to clean out my my garage some with old shit, so there's that. But this thing, kitty. But yeah, it's coming along. I got all this stuff tons of wire loom, connectors, like all this fancy wire loom, and then this big wrap wire loom. Here's my threadstone and radiator. Just we're getting everything ready for the cars. I always have bad allergies in all my videos, I know. So, shit's getting there. I need to take this upstairs so I can start my wiring. Just really gay. I'm not the best at it, but I've been doing decent. Oh yeah, hopefully we can get more shit going and I can get some more exciting videos. And I've been looking to get a shop, like a property, because it's just so expensive to put a shop on our, you know, property right here. So just getting one that, like my old shop, that was like a big warehouse, and then we just rented, you know, 2,000 square foot of it. Yeah, we have like trees back there that are like 100 foot tall, so probably ain't gonna happen here, but yeah. Then we won't have, you know, all this random shit. It'll just be like just the welders, wheels, our workbenches, not just like jackets and fucking yard tools. It'll be just like, you know, our car shit, and probably be a lot, you know, cleaner and tucked up like my old shop was. But yeah, we're gonna have a lot of stuff coming soon. I'm gonna drop a clip of the 1J car hitting 2-step. The thing is total, like, Supra sounding. It's crazy, like big ass like fireballs and shit. Yeah, this thing, she's about to get it. And honestly, when it's running with that built motor in it, I'm probably gonna be scared of it. Like, it's gonna be crazy. You'll need to start subscribing. We're getting tons of views on everything. Like, tons of views. Oh, my angle's probably all fucked up. There we go. Yeah. I have like, one of my newer videos has like 20,000 views on it. And I'm like, what? And then I have some videos with like 40, so I'm like, what the hell? But hopefully these start popping off and we'll be able to do more, because I'm more than halfway to getting monetized, and I think we're at 600 subs roughly right about now. And yeah, shit's coming along. But if you're gonna, you know, watch the videos, like the videos, you might as well sub, because we're gonna do a lot more of this shit. And it's gonna get a lot more exciting because we got more stuff happening. I mean, like, literally 1JZgte right there. We have another 2J, fully built KA, R154 right there. Like, I mean, has that R154 clunk to it. Like, such a loud shifter. It's pretty awesome. Real loud transmission. But yeah. Like and subscribe. Send that shit to your friends if you like cars and shit. Don't be lame. Eat.